Hi and welcome, Daniela here with a new layout created with the November kits, and I used the embellishments and the papers, and I also used the color kit, especially the Queen of Hearts powder that we get, and I used the pretty border die. So yeah, let's see how I put my page together. First of all, I'm so sorry, I started by creating mixed media background, and I just wanted to use this pretty flat powder that we get in the color kit. We have beautiful shades of red in this powder, and it somehow even, or in it depends on which color powders come together, it even looks like pink or yeah, dark red. I really like this one, and this is the background for my pictures. So I'm working with two pictures this time in smaller sizes, and they were taken at the Christmas market here in Germany. We have Christmas markets. It's like a Christmas fair with a lot of stalls selling food and drinks, and yeah, those pictures are kind of happy memories. And I just added one of those pretty shiny tags here behind the pictures, and then I cut apart the paper that we get in the kit, and I wanted to use these two colors here, and just yeah, place them here behind the pictures as well. So we have a lot of layers already. We have the flat color background, then we have the tag, and we have the different paper pieces, and on top of those pieces the pictures, and of course the papers also overlap, so they are placed on top of each other or shoveled behind one of the other ones, and this way I gain a lot of dimension, and my embellishments will add up to this style because I want to build a big cluster with a lot of dimension in the end. Okay, so this is the main center of the page, and I just want to spread the embellishments around the pictures. And first of all, I cut a border here in pink, place it behind the pictures as well, and I teared off a strip from this black dotted picture. I like this one a lot, and place it behind my picture cluster as well, so this way I have a lot of dimension again. And the border is a very nice die cut. I really recommend getting this. And now I can just start embellishing my page. You see that I'm working with the chipboard pieces here, and these of course add a lot of texture and dimension, and we have this pretty die cut pack with lots of flowers, and I'm yeah, working with some flowers here as well, and going for those pink ones, and also some yeah, mint colored flowers, and just spread them here on the right hand corner. And then I also want to use this branch, and I will have a second cluster on the upper left hand corner, so this way we have a lot of dimension. And yeah, I really like using 2 or 3 clusters, and by this way the pictures are framed somehow by the embellishments. Everything is linked. There are no loose elements at all. They are all linked somehow, and that is what I mostly do on my pages. Most of the time I try to link all my elements so that I have one big element coming together to have a lot of dimension and texture. Well, now I just need to adhere my pieces, and then I want to build a bow. We have also nice bows here in the set. They come together with the tags, and these of course are very special. They have shiny silver lines or patterns, and you can just fold them, and then you have a nice bow which is really a 3D element that you can put on your projects, and they add a special touch. And the nice thing is that we have the same silver in the florals that we get in the other die cuts, and of course in the tag. And I really recommend getting the embellishment kit each time. The embellishments are just stunning, and if you want to have the papers and the embellishments, you can order the pack. It's a bit cheaper, so there is a discount if you order them together. And yeah, I love those embellishments so much, I couldn't go without it. Okay, so this is the title that I'm building right now. We have pretty alphas in the embellishment kit, and they come in pink and red. So there are different shades here, and combining them is quite fun. And I also added one of those foam stickers. And I also want to have this word fun here, because we had so much fun that evening, and now it's just about the details. I can add some more of these foam stickers. So the star is a nice addition, and I also want to use a puffy sticker or some of those shiny stickers that you can order. And I think that the shiny elements also are a really nice addition, because they add another texture, and I can show you in the end how shiny they look. It's really nice. To have more dimension, I also wanted to add some more color splashes, and color splashes add a kind of dimension. And after shooting the video, I even added some more splashes, but just a few ones. I also wanted to add some of in another color, so here we go. Here are some green ones, and this adds up to the little chipboard star that I placed in the top right hand corner, and also the bow is in the same color. And then I want to have a paper frame, and I tried different versions. In the end, I decided to go with a black and white contrast, so I wasn't sure which one is best, but then I decided on this one, and finally just added the date, and added some of the shiny stickers. You can see them here. They add nice details, and I really like the look of them. And yeah, that's what my layout turned out like in the end. Thank you so much for watching again, and have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.